81.3 research fidget spinner. Who's gonna win? It's gonna roll. It didn't roll. Oh my gosh.
One more time.
Let's try one more time. Okay? Whoa! It just split into 24. It just go really crazy, man. I think this one behind because it's already got fixed. Whoa! Holy shock! It got into 0.3 and 9, but it's 8 and 1. Now it's 38. Almost. Who's gonna win? Not this blue for it. Whoa! It just split into 4 and 34. Well, I was cool at like 17. That is so funny. That's stinky card. Ooh! It didn't work because it's so funny. Whoa! Where did 24 go? I shocked him.